Stop building AI tools nobody wants to buy. Do this instead. I've seen this over and over again. AI experts, they spend days, months, even years sometimes building the perfect tooling they had. And when they go into the market, no subscribers, no client, no users, nothing. My name is Yunus. I run a growth consulting company called hybridscaling.com, where we help AI businesses, AI agencies, and AI SaaS businesses scale to multiple 5-6 figures per month. And we do that by building and deploying our growth infrastructure into their business so you scale effortlessly. In this video, we're going to see one of the biggest mistakes AI agencies and AI SaaS businesses are making that is costing them time and money. The major problem I've seen with AI business owners, kind of like AI SaaS businesses or AI agencies, is that they build the perfect AI tool, the perfect product for themselves. Now, the problem with that is when you build something for yourself, nobody's going to buy it because you didn't build it for them, you build it for yourself. And you might ask me, what do you mean I build something for myself? Well, you build it for yourself because you build it based on what you think your market need, not what they actually need. The problem is when you build something based on your own opinion, based on your own ideas, thinking this is what the market want, but the reality is not what the market want. Because the only way to find out what the market want is to go talk to the market, is to go ask the market opinion. So that's what we do. When an AI business owner, an AI SaaS owner, or an AI agency start working with us, the first thing first we do is not building the offer right away, is not building the product right away. Guess what we do? The first thing first we do is defining exactly the market pain point, knowing exactly what the market is suffering from, what problem are we trying to solve. Because if you solve a problem that doesn't exist, or if you solve a problem thinking that's the problem the market need, you're going toward the wrong direction. So find out first what the market need, what are the pain points the market is suffering from, and then solve that with your AI product, with your AI tool, your AI SaaS, or your AI agency. And 2 days ago, I read a post on Reddit. A guy, he spent 300 grand and 12 months building the perfect app, I think for hospitals. And guess what? He went to hospitals and he made 50 different doctors try his product, and all of them had the same answer. Nah, this is not what we want. We don't need this. This is too complicated. And while reading his post, I was like, yeah, you could have prevented this by talking to the market before building your solution. So here's my advice to you as an AI business owner, AI agency, or AI SaaS business, whatever it is. Don't make the same mistake this guy made. Don't spend a month and money building the perfect product in your head. Instead, start by finding out, start by identifying clearly what are the pain points the market trying to help is facing, and you can do that by going to talk to them. Let's say, for example, you want to build an app or a SaaS like that guy for hospitals. One of the things you can do is go talk to them. Go into hospitals and ask them questions. Message your doctors on the internet, on LinkedIn, on X, on Facebook, wherever you can find them. Message them and ask them advices. If you have a doctor in your neighborhood or in your family, go ask them questions related to the problem you're trying to solve. And trust me, they will give you insight. They will give you so much data that you will be blown away of the amount of information and data they will give you that you couldn't have access to if you didn't talk to them. So do that. And today, I think also one of the things you can do, Perplexity is one of the most advanced search engine on the internet. Use Perplexity to find exactly the pain point a specific industry is facing. So for example, you can go on Perplexity and say, look, I'm trying to build this tool or this solution for these people, for this industry. What would you say are the maybe 15, 20, 30 challenges they're facing that is costing them money, time, headache, whatever it is? And that tool will give you a list of 20, 30 challenges those people are facing that are related to the solution you're trying to build. And once you find those challenges, what I want you to do is just categorize them in 3 stages. The first level is the surface level of concern. What are the surface concerns they're facing? And second, the mid constraint. And the third one is their core constraint. What are the main challenges, the main problem they're facing? And if you were to solve those challenges, the core challenges might be 20% of all the challenges they're facing or the concerns they're facing. Remember, like the 80-20 rule, whatever it is. But if you were to solve the core constraint, they can yield 80% of the result. So now, first, focus. Of course, you have to solve all 3 levels, the surface level of constraint, the mid constraint, and the core constraint. But focus more on the core constraint, because the core constraint is where the money is made. That's literally the challenges we're facing that keep them at night, googling how the hell can I solve this. And if you can position yourself as the business, as the SaaS, as the AI agency, the AI automation, whatever you call it, can solve that core constraint from them, very pay you whatever the fuck you ask. The problem is you're solving the wrong problem. You're building the perfect tool for yourself, not for them. And once you've done all of that, you did your homework, you asked Perplexity, you talked to a couple of doctors in your neighborhood, in some hospitals. Once you find a problem, okay, the concern we're facing, all the 3 levels, then you can build a solution and build your product as the bridge that is going to take them from where they are. When I say where they are, all the challenges you find out about them. So your AI product has to become the bridge that is going to take them from where they are all the way to where they want to be. Because that's the only purpose of your AI tool. That's the only purpose of your AI product. That's the only purpose of any business, any product out there. It is to take a specific group of people from where they are, from their current state, struggle, lack of sleep, lack of money, lack of time, whatever it is, to a state where they want to be, to the desired state. Maybe making more money, having more time, whatever that is. But you have to know where they are and you have to know where they want to be. And you have to orchestrate a path to take them from where they are to where they want to be. If your AI product can do that for those people, you're literally going to change their life. And that put you in a position where the competition is leading you, because few people out there dare to play that type of game. And if you do that, you can charge whatever the fuck you want, because by default, your offer is premium. Just by doing this little exercise, you're going to save yourself tens of thousands a month of building the wrong thing. And once your offer is ready, once your product is ready, of course you have to put it out there. And don't wait until everything is perfect, because what is perfect for you is not the same for the market. So build your MVP, your minimal viable product, have that, ship it into the market. Go give it to your ICP, go give it to your audience, to the doctors or whatever your audience is. Give it to them to try. Find 2-3 people to try your product, and what you want them to give you feedback. Let the market give you feedback about your product and improve it from there. And of course, once you improve the product, the next step here is to attract users. So if you get there, if that's your situation, or once you get there, message me on LinkedIn, Yunus B, or leave a comment on this video, or find a way to connect with me, and there we will help you ship your product out there and potentially scale it to multiple 5-6 figures. And even right now, if you're struggling to build the perfect product, the perfect offer, if you have the idea but you don't know how to orchestrate the whole thing and put together a valuable offer, we help also do that. So this is what I had for you guys. If these are the type of videos you like, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question about starting or growing an AI business, an AI SaaS, or an AI agency, feel free to ask any question in the comment. I will be happy to make a video about it. That being said, see you in the next video.